Hello guys, Ivan here, trading with new binary plus, turbo plus version, and I want to show you again how it works, how to use it, and so on. So now we get one arrow here. These arrows are not repainted, but this arrow is not valid. This trade is not valid. I will explain why. If you see this first marked trade, this is the valid trade because you get put arrow, pink arrow, and the pink line on RSX indicator cross down and cross down through red line, and it is a confirmation. So in this case you have confirmed valid setup, and then you take trade. You will take one candle expiry or 5 minutes expiry because we are on M5. If you are on 15 minutes expiry, you will take 50 minutes expiry. So always one candle expiry. So this was a valid trade. Also, this was a valid trade because the RSX line crosses red line and go under it, below it. So here we have only possibility to wait for the next candle, and if on the open of the next candle this green line crosses over red line, you can take then trade. So with this strategy you take trade here when you have error on the current candle, or only if you want take a little bit more risk on the second candle if you have confirmation, but only of the second candle, not on the third. So we get some yes, we get here a signal, but as you can see here, it is not confirmed here. Here, let's see here. Here you see what I have said. This is not confirmed trade on the current candle, but we have situation here that on the opening of the next candle, green line here crosses already red line, and we can take here at the open of this 15 minutes expiry. 50 minutes expiry. So very easy. The best situation, of course, is if you have confirmation on the first candle, but if you want to take a little bit more risk, you can take on the second candle. So here I marked some situations that you had with GBP USD M5, and you can see how good this indicator is and how to take trades. And here you will have 5 ITMs only today, only on one currency pair, only on M5. You can of course open M5 charts, M15 or M30 1 hour charts, and you will have many trades per day. This is situation when you have confirmed here on the current candle. Immediately we can take 5 minutes because green line crosses the red. Here also, we can take immediately trade. Here, still green line is below the red line here, and we will take trade on the next candle, because on the next candle green line is already over the red line. Here also, we have confirmed immediately on the current candle. We can take 5 minutes expiry. Here we do not have confirmed trade. We have to wait the next candle when the green line crosses over the red line, and we have 5 minutes expiry, and of course 5 minutes ITM. After 5 minutes, this is ITM. So it is how the indicator works. The arrows are not repainted, so you only wait for the confirmation. It works perfectly also on the higher time frames. Almost 100%, let's say. Not 100, it's impossible, but much higher accuracy you have on the higher time frames. You see here you don't have confirmation, but on the next candle, no. Here you don't have confirmation, you will not take a trade. But here you will take a trade. But here you will take a trade. Let's see more trades on H1 time frame. Here confirmed ITM. Not confirmed, nothing. Confirmed ITM. Confirmed ITM. ITM. Here you have on the second one. On the second one you can take trade, and here I said it is not confirmed. We can check some other charts that you can see how it works. So on New Zealand dollar and American dollar M5, here you will have safe setup and 5 minutes ITM. You see, all confirmed. Green line over red and arrow, not repainted arrow. Here you do not have confirmation, but on the second candle, the next following candle you have, and you can take 5 minutes expiry. Here you have immediately confirmed. Here you have immediately trade setup. So all ITMs you have. Here you don't have confirmed, you see. Green line is not crossing the red line, but on the next ITM. So guys, this is fantastic strategy, and it really works, as you can see here. You only have to follow these simple rules, and you will be in at least 80% ITM. You see here, second candle is winning. This is the first one winning. This is not confirmed. This is confirmed. So you only have to be patient and wait for a good setup. This is not confirmed, but next one, yes. This is not confirmed, next one, not. You are not taking this trade. Let's see this one. Already confirmed ITM. This one, yes, confirmed. You can take this trade. You can take this trade. We get one signal. Let's see. what we have. You see this. This is not a good setup for a trade. We only here maybe can wait the next candle, and if this pink line is crossing the red line down, we could take 5 minutes expiry. But I see this is uptrend and I would not wait for this. So guys, what to say? If you have any questions or need any information, you can contact me on my mail below. And believe me, this strategy really works fantastic. USD CAD. Let's see this one. You see, we got, but this is not to be traded because signal came too late, and this wasn't crossing, red line wasn't crossed. We get another one. I think I forgot which one. Which one we get? This one. But this is not, of course, a valid signal. You have to be patient and wait only for a valid setup. We can wait here, maybe next candle could be good. I will pause the video and see you in 1 minute. As you can see, pink line crossed and we can take a trade here. Pink line crossed a red line and we can take 5 minutes expiry. So this is the second situation when you take trade on the second candle after the signal arrow. You should not take it if you don't want, but this is additional situation when you can use this indicator. If you want to be very safe, you can take it only if you have confirmation like here on the first arrow, on the first candle, like we have here. You see, already you have confirmation, or here, but it's up to you. So we have taken here and wait 5 minutes expiry. We are trading live, as you can see, Friday, London session. I will pause the video and come back when it will be at the end. Hello, we have 1 minute more until the expiry. So for now we are in the money. I will be back in 30 seconds again. Hello, more few seconds, and as you can see, we will win this trade. Trading on the second candle after the arrow, the second situation rule, as I have been explained. Okay guys, have a nice weekend. Bye bye.